Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. Now, if you are looking to level up your trading game, then you have come to the right place. Okay, the Forex Geek is for you. We provide valuable insights into various trading strategies, trading indicators, and a whole lot of information concerning trading. So welcome once again to the channel. Now, in this particular video, we are going to be looking at a crucial topic that can make a significant difference in your trading success. And the topic we're going to be looking at is the best RSI settings for the 5-minute chart. So make sure to stick around because you won't want to miss this. Okay. Now we're just going to go to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, we're going to the 5-minute chart, and then we are going to add on the RSI to our charts. Okay, all right. Now, first things first, let's briefly cover what the RSI, or the relative strength index, actually is. Now, the RSI is a momentum oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100, as we can see here, and it is used to measure the speed and change of price movements. Typically, an RSI above 70 indicates an overbought condition, while an RSI below 30 signals that an asset might be oversold. But for the 5-minute chart, is the default setting of 14, because the default settings is actually 14 period. Okay, is the default settings of 14 the best choice? We're just going to find out in this video, because for a 5-minute trading strategy, many traders find that using a shorter RSI period can be more effective. Because one thing for you to note is that the shorter the period, the faster the RSI responds to price changes. So a setting of 5 or 7, let's just reduce it to 7, can help you respond more to quick price changes. As we can see, you can see that the RSI is now responding faster to price changes. This means you can capture potential reversals sooner, which is crucial in a fast moving market. However, it's essential to find the right balance to avoid false signals, because the smaller the period you are using, the easier it is for false signals to be generated. So in as much as you are scalping on the 5-minute time frame, it doesn't mean that you should now use period 2 or period 3. Okay, period 7 is okay, and you still have to watch out for false signals even while using period 7. Okay, now let us look at a couple of examples using these settings on the 5-minute chart. So basically, the strategy remains the same. When you have the RSI below the 30, it's in the case of a sold condition. And when the RSI is pointing upwards from the 30, or when it is between the 30 level and the 50 level pointing upwards, or between 50 level and 70 level but still pointing upwards, it indicates a buy momentum. Okay, bullish momentum. So you can enter your buy trade even right after the RSI cuts across 30 and pointing upwards. And then your stop loss, you have to add trend lines, support and resistance levels as well, just to give you extra confirmation. Okay, now when you find the signal from the RSI, you can then enter your buy trade. It's better if the price is around a support zone. When you find the signal from the RSI, that's going to add to confirmation. Okay, you enter your buy, you set your stop loss below the swing low, and then you can target the take profits at the nearest resistance level, or you can wait for the RSI to enter the overbought territory and begin to point downwards to exit your buy trade. Then the reverse is just the case for a sell. When you notice that the RSI is in the overbought territory and pointing downwards, and then you notice that the price is around a resistance zone, yeah, you can then wait for the price to begin to move downwards after the RSI has already begun to point downwards from the 70 level. Okay, make sure that the RSI has cut below the 70 level before you enter your sell, and then your stop loss can be above the previous swing high. And then for your take profit, you can either target the nearest support, or you can decide to use the RSI to exit when the RSI enters the oversold territory. Now, while the RSI is a nice tool, it's more powerful when you combine it with other indicators. That's the reason why it's important to add support and resistance levels. And you can also even add indicators like the moving averages or any other indicator of your choice for additional confirmation as well. Now, this multifaceted approach can help confirm signals and reduce the likelihood of false entries. So in summary, finding the best RSI settings for the 5-minute charts can give you a significant edge in your trading. You can experiment with different settings and don't be afraid to adjust them based on your trading style. If you found today's video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best content possible. Thanks for watching and happy trading. We'll see you in the next video.